Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rayanne, for those of you who are new here, also known as 50 Shades of Ray on Instagram. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig right here, which is the UniWigs Hanna. So Hanna is a 100% human hair wig. She is in the color Almond Frost, 16 inches in length. Hanna comes straight out of the box, but I went ahead and put some curls in her because that's how I prefer to wear my wigs. She is a lace front and she just has a very beautiful rooting to her that makes her look very natural in my opinion. She is a 22-inch circumference cap, 130% density. In my opinion, 130% density is just the perfect density. Not too thick, not too thin to where you're gonna see like wefts or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take her off and show you the inside of the cap. Lace front. There are combs on the inside and the adjustable straps at the nape, as well as a comb at the nape. And she is a close wefted cap. I'll go ahead and put a link to this exact wig down below. Thanks for watching.